Hi guys, today I'm going to make a video about how to lodge file of spouse visa. And recently I have uploaded the video regarding tourist visa. And today uh, the video will start with the totally new application. You will open your email account. Just go to the new application here, and here you can see all the subclasses. If you will go to student, and here you can see the student visa subsequent entrant. That is for spouse visa. So just click on it, and then just you have to fill up 16 steps, and then you have to submit it, your supported documents, and just lodge your file. Okay, so go, click I have read this agreement, click next. So here's the first thing. This is the the related application. Who will be the main applicant? You just have to fill his visa grant number, TR number, or application ID. You can fill anything. So I just want to fill visa grant number. So what a student visa grant number? So just going to fill. So just have filled quickly, a student visa grant number here, and the primary applicant date of birth, and if you have funded from a Commonwealth Bank or not. Mostly people they're not. So just click on no, and then go next. So here's the next thing. This is you have to give details of all the family members you have in your family. So who maybe will come on visitor visa in future as well. So just give your father name, father details, mother details, your wife details, and your brother sister details as well. Let's go to add. Go add. Also, first thing is relationship. So basically, you can't actually fill the details of your father mother here. Just it is for the spouse here. Just fill spouse, de facto partner, and then fill all the details here. Once you fill all the details, it will come here. It will show you here. So just filled actually the random numbers here. That's why it shows like that, SSS and KHS. So but you can see here all the details when once you fill it up. And so just click next. So in this next step, they're asking this all the details are correct or incorrect. Just click yes, correct, and then click next. So this is the details, and if maybe they will ask you for interview. So which is the closest place that you have in your from your house? So where you can want to go and for interview. Like if you're from India, so basically you prefer from New Delhi. And country of residence where you are living mostly. So it's India. If you fill it up, and here you can fill your all register where you're living, and your contact details, and your contact details of your partner in Australia, and his contact telephone number, and all the things. So in the 6 steps, they will ask you about like if you are if you're doing by yourself, then just click on no. If you are lodging this file and you have consult with the migration agent, then click on a yes, migration agent or education agent or another person. So basically, if you're doing by yourself, just click no, and just give your email address here, so they can send you email when they have any question. So this is the next step, which is very important, like the genuine temporary entrant. So here you have to give a so here you have to write down on like a paragraph in which you have to explain like why you will come back into your country, that you are a genuine student, you're just going for a study. Like if you're in India and you're doing a business, or your father is a farmer, you can say like we have a land or we have a business in India, and that's why we will come back for that land or for that particular business. So but for that you have to ensure that you're supporting you should attach your supporting documents as well. So just write down a brief paragraph here, and then also give documents in the end of this all steps. Then you have to provide your documents as well. just write on a paragraph here. So in the next step, they ask about your funding, that you have sufficient funds for your stay in Australia. Just click yes, net, and just say like how you're gonna provide that one. Other financial support from an individual, either it could be government scholarship as well. So just put on a financial support, and then financial supports for an individual. Will the funds be provided by the individual other than the applicant? If you're doing by yourself, you're giving support you to your wife from Australia, then click yes, otherwise click no. If you click yes, click no. Let's provide that you have a deposit in financial institution, you have a loan or whatever. If you have a deposit, that value, what's the value of that Indian rupees in Australia? So let's fill up here and then fill the financial institution name. That's the name of bank. So in the ninth step, we have body health insurance. That does the applicant have overseas student healthcare? Yes. You should have a health insurance, and then the health insurance, like if you have from Bupa, insurance policy number, your date from what date to what date, that you have to give them. You have to tell them that what is the main language of your wife. It is English, Punjabi, Hindi. Click on Hindi, click next. And let's 11 countries visited. Have you any of the applicants visited any country in the past 10 years, like include work, study, or holidays, or whatever it is? Then click yes if you have traveled, otherwise click no. And the visa history. Has the applicant or parents or any person during this application have or currently hold a visa to Australia or any other country? Click yes if you have, otherwise no. Has the applicant or any other international application ever been in Australia or any other country and not complied with the visa conditions or departed outside the authorized period of stay? No, no. Next, this is your health declaration that you are in the last 5 years. Has any applicant visited or lived outside the country of the country? Do not include time spent in Australia? No. So just click no most of these things. If you have any problem with your body, then just click just read all of these things very carefully, please. And is your character certificate that you are not guilty in anything. Just read these things carefully. This is very important actually. If you will give them a false answer, then it could affect your visa file. And this is a visa declaration that I have read everything and I have satisfied or with all the conditions. Click yes. This is again we click on that picture. Click yes on them. So this is the last page. So before you go into submit, just read everything carefully. This is the all file you have filled up till 16th step. And click next. And when you will click on next, then you can see here, this is very easy actually, right? Now they have changed everything. They have given you everything here. Like if you have health insurance, just go here on documents, like you have a OSHC, give them details here, like if you have from Bupa, and then choose a file and upload your file here. That is going to be very easy actually. And you can give your identity here. Click on here, your birth, you can give your birth certificate, your national ID card, your passport. So you can upload your all documents here, and then just click on next. The next step is just click on submit now, and now your file is ready and it's going to be submitted. Once you will click on submit, then you can see the price here, amount here. So you have to pay 575 Australian dollars for your application. So that is the actual price that you have to pay to immigration. Sometimes migration agents, they ask you for extra money sometimes. That is, you have no need to pay anything extra. So if in Indian rupees it will be around 30,000 rupees. So that is the only cost you have to pay to immigration, and you can pay it here, and you can click on submit, and your file will be submitted. Thank you guys for listening, and if you have any questions, just ask me in comments. Thank you.